Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first off, let me address my appearance. I'm looking a little bummed right now, but it's because I'm going to Phoenix tomorrow, which is like my new little happy zone. So if you're from Phoenix, comment down below. Shout out to Phoenix. So I packed. So all my good stuff is packed, even though this is pretty much what I wear all the time. So you guys are probably a little confused, but whatever. Today I am really excited to be reviewing this line called Rare Beauty by Miss Selena Gomez. I mean, we all know Selena from our childhoods. I honestly wasn't planning to film a review to this line because I just at first I didn't feel the need to, and then I started to see all of these reviews and I was like, okay. And then I went to Sephora and I totally forgot that she was actually launching her line, and I was like, oh, let me just grab some stuff. And I was like, no, I've actually tried all of these products, so this isn't like first impressions or any of that, but I was like moved enough to try this line. Now, first of all, let's just talk about the fact that 1% of each purchase goes into the Rare Impact Fund, and that money is gonna go to mental health services for underserved communities. And I think this is so important because for somebody who grew up in the inner city, I know for a fact, I know it sounds so victim-y, but I feel like it's so important to have these services because, child, you be going through a lot, not all of us get out, and it's for a reason, and sometimes we need that extra push. So I commend Selena on this, and yeah, I actually have a lot of thoughts. But before we get started, give this video a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's just get started. So I have my little mirror here. We're gonna start off with first of all, hold on, just a little disclaimer. I'm not on the PR, so I don't have all the products. I'm also not as rich as your fave, so I don't have all of the products here, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna use what I have, and hopefully y'all don't drag me. But we're gonna start with the Rare Beauty Foundation in 430W. Shout out to the Sephora out here in Santa Clarita. The Westfield Mall here in Santa Clarita, homegirl matched me. And I haven't been to a Sephora in so long because I don't really buy makeup. Like I was genuinely a consumer for this purchase. Also, like I said before, this isn't my first time using this foundation. This is actually my second time. And when I opened it for the first time, it was really liquidy and kind of oily, like coming out. Be sure to shake it. They tell you to shake it, but I don't read directions. But be sure to shake it. I was a little scared at first. But honey, look at this. Look at this. Now this foundation is $29, which is honestly a pretty good price for like a Sephora foundation, child, because them foundations in Sephora be like $42 and $50 and sometimes like $60. The girls be playing, and I honestly feel like not only like does this have more of like that elevated feel, I know some people were comparing it to Fenty in terms of appearance, but you can, it's semi-affordable. It's not like everyday affordable, but it's a lot more affordable than especially a lot of these other celebrity brands. Now, I gotta pinpoint the fact that there's like these little circular candles. So when I found out, I thought this was just an aesthetic thing, but when I found out what the purpose was for this, it actually kind of moved me. Especially, I hate saying things like this because it sounds so dramatic, but I have really bad carpal tunnel syndrome. Like literally my thumb is always in pain, and this is actually so that people that suffer from conditions like that or arthritis, it actually makes it really easy to open everything. And I didn't know Selena had suffered from arthritis. So just the fact that she put that thought into her product, like she's really like, I like that. I really like that, to be honest. I'm not. But tell me this foundation ain't cute. Now, if you're somebody who really likes like that full coverage look, I don't know if this is necessarily the foundation for you. I feel like for me, it's buildable, but I know some of you girls like paint on your faces, which I don't mind. It gives you that really nice glam look. Now for me, I can kind of get away with more medium coverages or lighter coverages, but if you're still like on the fence for it, I think this is actually pretty buildable, and I think this foundation would slay on drier skin. I actually have pretty combination skin, but again, like this might be my everyday foundation, and I don't be playing with foundations. I'm very picky. So as you can see, I like this coverage. Now, of course, with some, I don't know if you can see it on camera, with some blemishes, they might show through. Not a big deal though, like you can kind of spot correct, and as you can see, covered it pretty well. But I just wanted to show you guys that like it's definitely a buildable foundation. Now we're gonna move forward with the concealer in 400W. Now let me tell y'all, the foundation and concealers are supposed to match with one another, but I'm somebody that likes to use my concealers, as you can see, to brighten the under eye, brighten kind of like my eyelid, use it as like an eyeshadow base. So I definitely went under. This isn't the concealer that you would normally pair with the foundation, but even though I know this is meant for an extremely natural look, as someone who likes things a little bit more glam, I definitely went lighter in the concealer. If you're somebody that likes that look as well, definitely buy a lighter concealer. Don't buy the concealer that's paired with the foundation, because it probably won't show up as bright. This is still pretty in the natural range, and it's actually still pretty similar to the foundation. But I don't mind it because it's actually a lot easier to blend than when you have a really light concealer. And as you can see, it just goes seamlessly into the foundation. Now, I know Selena has some brow stuff. I already had my brows filled in because I didn't purchase any of the brow product, but I did use the concealer to carve my brows out. So if you're somebody who's wondering if you can kind of carve your eyeshadow or your brows, it definitely works for that, because I didn't do that the first time I used these products. I was like, let me see how this works out, and it actually did a really good job. I really like it. I like my brows really like sharp. So guys, this is my face. This is with the concealer and just the foundation. As you can see, it really has more of a natural, healthy, glowy skin look. Normally I go for more of like a dramatic under eye, dramatic kind of nose, but I like how seamless it all looks. In all honesty, this might get me to get a little more natural with my makeup, to be honest. I love how this looks. Like I'm living. And I'm going to bake. Now, Rare Beauty does not have a setting powder. They have a finishing powder, I believe, that's pressed, but I'm gonna bake and put some eyeshadow, and I will be right back. Alrighty, y'all, so we are baked. I got my little eyeshadow moment, you know, a little soft glam moment. And now I'm gonna go in with the Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner. Ciao. When I tell you, someone that has hooded eyes like me, liners are really scary. Liquid liners are really scary. But when I used this, it was so easy to use, and I didn't have to fear, you know, when your liner transfers, especially when you have hooded eyes, you actually get the chance for it to dry quick enough. You know what, let me just do it really quick. I don't know how to do liner on camera, and we're going to try. I don't know if you have to see me right, but yeah, child, I'm gonna have to do this off camera because I cannot do liner on camera. Like, I literally need to be like this. We'll be right back. Alrighty, y'all, so I wanted to show you guys the liner right before I put my lashes on. You know, it's a little sloppy, but for the purpose of the video, I mean, you see it. To find a liner that actually works for me and that I don't have to be so careful with is amazing, because, ciao, the struggle is real. So I'm gonna put on my lashes really quickly, and I will be right back. We got one more product I gotta show y'all. This is the little look with the lashes. This is Princess Locks Lashes in style Bossy. Now, my friend Princess K, you know, I call her Katrina, but you guys would know her as Princess K. This is her brand, you know, black-owned brand. You know, the girls have their brands. So this really brought out the look, because normally I like a glam moment, so it made it more glam. Last but not least, the last product I have here is the Dewy Lip Balm in Thankful. And let me tell y'all something, and I'm not gonna line my lips or anything, just so you guys can see the coverage that they have. I was a little scared when I was in Sephora and it said lip balm. I was like, lip balm? I don't want no lip balm. I want lipstick. But look at this coverage. It makes your lips feel like pillowy, like, and soft. I have pigmented lips. Like, my lips are dark, so I need something with coverage. So if you get this, don't let the lip balm aspect of it scare you, because as you can see, it's gonna cover your lips. Alrighty, y'all, so as you can see, these are all the products that I had for Rare Beauty. Now, if you want me to review some of the other products, let me know down in the comments so that, because, I ain't rich. But if y'all want me to do more reviews on this and, expand, I'll go to Sephora. I'll buy the products. I believe in Rare Beauty. I think Selena really put her heart and soul into this brand. And I also think that whoever her team is really doing their job. I mean, I'm obsessed with all the products. I think the messaging behind the brand is amazing and beautiful, and even like the holders for arthritis, donating into mental health services, all of that. The price point, girl, you killed it. And I'm not one to lie. I'm not one to kiss and lick booty. Like, I will tell you the truth. So let me know if you guys want me to expand this review, do a part 2 with more products. I loved it all. Point blank, period. So with that being said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below with what you guys want to see next. Subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on. And I told y'all I was going to be consistent. Love you guys.